Have you ever felt like your iPhone just isn't living up to its full potential? Like there's a whole world of possibilities out there that Apple is keeping from you? Well, I'm here to tell you that there is a way to unlock those possibilities and take your iPhone to a whole new level. It's called jailbreaking, and it's a game changer. Jailbreaking your iPhone is like breaking free from the chains that Apple has put on your device. It allows you to customize your phone in ways you never thought possible. Want to change the look of your home screen? Jailbreaking can do that. Want to download apps that Apple doesn't approve of? Jailbreaking can do that too. The possibilities are endless. But like anything worth doing, jailbreaking does come with its risks. You could potentially void your warranty, and there's always a chance that something could go wrong during the process. But for those willing to take the risk, the rewards are well worth it. Once you've jailbroken your iPhone, the customization options are endless. You can download themes to completely change the look of your phone, or tweak settings to make your device run faster and smoother. You can even download apps that Apple has banned from the App Store. The freedom that jailbreaking gives you is truly liberating. But perhaps the biggest benefit of jailbreaking is the ability to unlock the full potential of your iPhone. Apple may have designed the iPhone to be sleek and user-friendly, but they also put restrictions on what you can do with it. Jailbreaking removes those restrictions, allowing you to truly make your phone your own. Demonstrate the steps involved in jailbreaking the iPhone using a popular jailbreak tool, such as Checker1 or Uncover. Walk viewers through the process of downloading and installing the jailbreak tool on their computer. Showcase some of the customization options available to jailbroken iPhone users, such as installing custom themes, tweaking system settings, and accessing hidden features. Highlight popular jailbreak tweaks and apps that can enhance the user experience, such as Springtomize, Activator, and Filza File Manager. Offer tips for maintaining a jailbroken iPhone, such as regularly updating jailbreak tweaks and apps, avoiding incompatible software, and exercising caution when installing third-party repositories. Encourage viewers to join online communities and forums dedicated to jailbreaking for support and troubleshooting assistance. So if you're tired of feeling like your iPhone is holding you back, it might be time to take the plunge and jailbreak your device. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those willing to take the risk, the rewards are well worth it. So go ahead, break free from Apple's chains and unlock the full potential of your iPhone. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button to get a notification for more exciting videos, tips, and tricks.